Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Ford EcoSport. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 3-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.